Hello folks, I hope you're doing just fine. In this episode, we're going to talk about another functions of Sora, and that is using pictures and videos. In this episode, we're only going to talk about pictures and the next one videos. So in this one, we're going to learn how to upload pictures and then expand that using Sora. So at first, click on the plus upload photo, and then you upload a photo. What does it do? Now, based on your picture, it creates the video you want. And it can be rather functional once you want your character. Let me design this. Yes, it can be very good once you've already got a video or a picture you want to work on, or you've got a character and you want to keep that character. For example, you're creating an animation and you want to keep the face of that character. This is our picture. I'm going to send it. And I wait for it to upload and then make the changes, explain using prompts what we change, what we want to change. So expand the image, slow zoom in, like that, add a dramatic movement, and they should look shock. Keep the cipher atmosphere and the light and the intense background. So this is the prompt. The prompt I just wrote down is a bit complicated, but the other thing is sometimes the picture has some flaws, has some mistakes, but let's see what the result is. Well, it says we couldn't do that because the media consisted a human being, and it says that it does not allow us to use real human beings. Sometimes we face this problem. Let me just go with another picture and another prompt to do that. We're going to use this website. It's a great website. That is great. You can upload any picture, AI generated, your own picture, anything. You can create it and send it to it. You click on it, wait for it to download. And I hope it does it. Upload from library. Well, you can also work on your previous videos as well. I'm going to change that. Well, the same text, and see what it does. Well, this is the final result. A very simple thing was given to us, which is okay. At least it doesn't have any problems. We can expand it, use it again. We can edit it and make it longer, but it did not do that actually. The problems it's got right now is sometimes it does not do what we want them to do on pictures, but the results on videos is a bit better actually, that we're going to go through later. Well, one of the other great usages of pictures is That's exactly what we did in this example. It is to inform the software about the beginning point. At first you send the picture and then be like, okay, do this for the rest of the picture. Let's find the original video. In this video, what we did was send a picture and said, okay, use it as a reference. Oh, we could have not said that actually. It's not that necessary. So we sent it and we described it. And this is the result. See that? And now, a problem that pictures have is that at first the picture is shown and then it designs the video. And it is only good for having a reference about how you want that to be. Or for example, if you want a face, they only want that face, you can do it. We used it for a remix, of course, but we sent a video for that and made the changes. You can also, what else you can do is, you can open storyboard. And for example, you've taken some pictures from a place and you want something specific to happen there. So you send the picture. For example, let me send this video. Let me upload this picture, send it. And this is the second picture. So we want to design a video from those two pictures. At first, this first picture. And for example, well, what it did was use this option, convert to text, and actually gave us a text. You see that? American flag patch, standing amidst a barren. They're oriented towards and the explanation. Well, for example, here you want to be like, back there, for example, spaceship is falling down, let's say. Let's just write it. In the background, spaceship crashing down, creating a fiery explosion. And the next one, we upload the second image. What does it say here? Coming setting? It says that. We did that, of course, but it says if you want to make sure that the several photos you use, if you want to see the good result, make sure they are in one setting, one type, let's say. All right. For example, here we want, again, it's connecting the pictures, and we want to be like, for example, so far, let's leave it. Searching for the crashed spaceship. They are shocked. 5 seconds. And 25 credits is okay. So let's just generate it. I hope it doesn't mess it up. Now does it? So in this episode, we learned a bit how to work with storyboards and how we can use pictures. I mean, your own personalized pictures to create videos. Well, this is the result. And unfortunately, you see that still working with pictures is not that flawless, and orders are not followed properly. You see that? The problem is it cannot change the picture exactly, only get some insights and then creates its own video. And of course, in the future, it can be a bit more specific, the problem in generating pictures. But for the beginning, it is okay. Especially when we want to have a character reference and we want to use our own media. Of course, working with videos is much better. I hope you like this. Have a very good day.